In this Elementor Hosting tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to host a website on Elementor Hosting step by step from start to finish. I'll be covering the different web hosting plans offered by Elementor Hosting and their features, getting set up and creating your very own website, along with how to access professional pre-made templates, and how to edit your site via drag and drop, making the website creation process quick and easy. You get Elementor Hosting at a great low price, plus you get a free domain name. Let's get started with the Elementor Hosting tutorial, going over how to host a website on Elementor Hosting. The first thing you want to do to host your website on Elementor Hosting is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Elementor Hosting, as you can follow along with me in this tutorial. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You don't receive a commission from Elementor at no extra cost to you. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Elementor page like shown here. Click the Get Started button or scroll down to the Elementor Hosting plan section. You'll see that you can get Elementor Hosting for as low as $6.99 a month. You'll see the different hosting plans you can choose from: the Host Cloud, Host Cloud Plus, and Host Cloud X3 plan. Under the Host Cloud X3 plan, if you click 10, it'll change to the Host Cloud X10 plan. In the 25, it'll change to the Host Cloud X25 plan. Elementor Hosting offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. With Elementor Hosting, you'll get an Enterprise CDN by Cloudflare, Google Cloud C2 servers, advanced caching, free domain name, and automated daily backups. You'll get enterprise-grade security. Each of the plans come with a free SSL certificate, WAF and DDoS protection, multi-factor authentication, unlimited monthly visits, auto security updates, botnet attack protection, free migrations, dedicated support, and 24/7 monitoring. Elementor Hosting also comes with a built-in auto-scale technology so that your site never goes down during high traffic surges. When it comes to creating your website, you'll get pre-made kits to choose from, or you can start from an empty canvas. The Elementor Page Builder is included as well. The Pro version of Elementor Page Builder isn't included. The Host Cloud plan comes with one auto-scaling website, 10 GB storage, 10 GB a month bandwidth, and daily backup stored for 7 days. The Host Cloud Plus plan comes with one auto-scaling website, 20 GB storage, 20 GB a month bandwidth, and daily backup stored for 14 days. The Host Cloud X3 plan comes with 3 auto-scaling websites, 40 GB storage, 30 GB a month bandwidth, and daily backup stored for 30 days. You can choose the Host Cloud X10 or Host Cloud X25 plan if you need more websites with your Elementor Hosting purchase. Choose the plan you'd like. I'll choose the Host Cloud plan for this tutorial. Next, you'll be on the Let's Complete Your Purchase page. You'll see the summary over on the right with the total of your Elementor Hosting purchase, along with all the free things included with the plan. Over to the left, you want to sign up. Choose one of the methods to sign up with Elementor Hosting. I already have an account with Elementor, so I'll sign in. Since I already have an account, I'm brought to the Enter Your Billing Info section. After you create your account, you'll need to confirm your plan here. Next, enter the billing info. Next, you want to choose and enter your payment method. You can input your card details here, or you can make a payment via PayPal if you'd like. Next, click the Pay Now button. You've successfully purchased Elementor Hosting. Elementor will email you a receipt of your purchase. Once your payment is done processing, you'll be on the Enhance Your Website Creation with AI page. If you'd like to buy one of these, you can. I'll scroll down and click the Start Creating Your Website button. It'll now bring me to my websites page and my Elementor account. For new account signups, you'll be taken to the How You Would Like to Create Your Site page that I get to in just a minute. I'll click the Create a Hosted Website button at the top. On this page, I'm going to choose Use My Current Subscription. You'll be taken to the How You Would Like to Create Your Site. You can choose New Site or Migrate Existing Site. I'll choose New Site. You'll see Elementor is unboxing. Once it is done, you'll see your site is ready. Click the Complete Your Site Setup button. You'll now be taken to the Website Templates Kit page. You can view all the template kit pages you can choose from to build your site. If you want to view what one of the templates look like, hover over it and click View Demo. It'll then show you a preview of what the template looks like. I'll click the Back to Wizard button to go back to the previous page. Choose a template kit you'd like. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change and edit the templates to what you'd like when creating your WordPress site. For this tutorial, I'll choose this theme here called Digital Marketing Agency. click the Apply Kit button. Next, click the Apply button on the pop-up. Next, click Enable on this pop-up. It'll begin setting up your kit. Once it is done, you'll see, congratulations, you've created your website. Click the Customize My Site button. You'll now be taken to the Hello Biz page within the WordPress dashboard. Before we start editing our site, I want to cover the Elementor dashboard and go over how to manage your site. I'm here in the Elementor dashboard. Hover over your site. If you click Edit with Elementor, it'll take you to the Elementor page builder where you can make edits to your site. If you click Open WP Dashboard, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you click Manage this website, this is where you can manage your website. You can click Migrate your site if you need to migrate your site. If you click Domains, this is where you can view your DNS records. You'll see where you can redeem your free domain name. Backups is where your backups will show. You can create a backup here as well. Plugins will show you plugins for your site. If you click the three dots, you can delete a plugin or make other updates. If you click Advanced, you can access File Manager. If you click Overview, if you click Connect the domain, you can choose how you want to connect your domain. You can connect a custom domain, get a free domain name, or buy a domain name. Up at the top, if you click Edit Website, it'll take you to the Elementor editor where you can make edits to your site. If you click WP Admin, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. I'll click this to be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Now let's bring up the view of the site and go over how to edit the site with Elementor Page Builder. I'll hover over my site title name up at the top. Click Visit Site. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab on the top of the page. It'll now bring you to the drag and drop editor where you can create your site quick and easy. I'll click into this top section. You'll see Layout. You can choose the layout for the section to change the look of it. To make edits to a part of the page, just click where you want to make edits and start making edits. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style of the text. I'll click Content. Next, click Image. If you hover over the image, you can click the trash can icon to remove the image. If you click into the image, you can upload an image to use here, or click Media Library to choose images already uploaded to WordPress. Next, if you click Style, click Box. This is where you can change the background colors of the section. Next to Background Type, you'll see Gradient is selected. You'll see both colors showing here. Click into a color and you can change the color showing in this section. If you want there to be only one background color and not gradient, click Classic here next to Background Type. You can then click into Color and change the background color of this section. You'll see Background Overlay. You'll see this image that is currently being used here. If you want to remove this image, hover over it and click the trash can icon or click into the image to upload or select an image like shown earlier. Scroll down to where you see opacity. You can move this over to get the opacity to show how you want. Next, I'll scroll down to this section of the page. If you click the plus icon at the top left where it says Add Element, this is where you can get to where you can drag stuff into the page. You can select what you want over on the left and drag it in wherever you'd like it. If you right-click on an area, you can delete it if you don't want it. By right-clicking, you can duplicate something if you need to duplicate it. You can drag something over to somewhere else on the page by selecting it and dragging it over to where you want it. If you want to change an image somewhere, just click into the image. Hover over the image and you can remove it or click into it to change the image. To add a section to your site, if you hover over a section, you can click the plus icon and then click the plus icon showing again to add a new section to the page. Select Flexbox, select the structure of the section. You can now drag in something over into the section. If you click the middle icon with the dots, you can then edit that section. If you click the X button, it'll completely remove that section from the page. If you click into a section, click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move that section to somewhere else on the page. That's all there is to it. That is how to host a website on Elementor Hosting. I hope you enjoyed this Elementor Hosting tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Elementor Hosting tutorial videos.